Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So I'm back with another Laravel plus Vue tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can edit your form in Vue. So I'll be like showing you complete edit, let's say creating form, then displaying data into your form and then submitting that form. So I'll be dividing it in 3 videos. So in this video I will just show you how you can create your edit form, and using Axios how you can just send a request. Getting response I'll be showing you in my next video. So now let's get started with today's video by creating edit form and Axios. So now let me show you Vue first. So here you can see form in Vue.js that we have created, and after that list we have fetched, that is same contact. And here you can see edit button, and on clicking of that there you can see a blank page right now. So here we will be creating our form. So now let's go and I'll show you code level. So you can see component for table, that is contact list. Here you can see table is there, and button for edit. So now in script also you can check contact list we have fetched and displayed. Now let me show you basically like create form. So here you can see form complete and it's submitted using handle submit form and Axios as post request. So we will be creating same form because we are going to edit that form only. So now let's start by creating a file. So let's say contact edit component, and inside that now let's write first template. I'm just going to copy same because it's the same form, so I can reuse that same code. So now let's change heading, let's say edit form in Vue, and let it be here right now. Now let's go for script. So in script let's copy all import. So now let's take export till mounted. After mounted let's take data because it's a same only we will be using. You can see fields name, email, phone, message, and in methods we will be creating new methods here. So now close the script, and now let's remove submit. So now let's go and check in browser. It's still not showing form. Okay, routes I have not created. So now let's go to router and index.js. So firstly we will be going to import that. So import contact edit component, and now path, let's say contact edit, and we will be passing this component, that is contact edit component. Now after that pass id. So now let's check in browser, and if I'll click on edit, so here you can see edit form is opening. So now first part is done, that is creating form. So now second part is to fetch basically this edit details, that is your API. So now let's go and call one function in mounted, let's say this dot fetch contact details. So in methods we will be creating this function fetch contact details, and inside that we'll be sending our Axios request. So now for fetching details we need ID. So now let's get the ID from our root parameters. So now let's create a variable, let's say let contact ID, and we will be accessing this root. So basically this root holds your current URL details. So here with the dot params I can access the parameters of your root, and here I'm having ID as my parameter. So now let's console contact ID, and now let's check in browser inspect. Let's go to console, and here you can see to ID. So now let's send Axios request. So now let's import our host and port also. So I'm just going to copy this from list, and Axios request also I'm going to copy from there. So now let's remove console, and in Axios host will be same, port will be same, API will be same. Now let's change the last one, that is endpoint. So it will be contact edit, and also we are going to send ID, that is contact ID, and it's a result now. So let's say this dot contact list. So now We need to change this because contact list, we are not going to get only one single contact detail we will be getting. So right now I'm just going to console it. So now our Axios request is also ready. So both things we have done, we have created our form and our Axios API is ready to be hit. So in my next video, I'll be creating my show details, that is contact details API. So where I'll be sending contact details as a response of API and how to set that data into your form. So these two things I'll be showing you in my next video. So in this video, that's all. So if you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.